Hello and welcome back to Make Money Online, your go-to destination for make money online opportunities and tips to boost your online income. Today we have an exciting topic for you: how to make passive income online. Are you prepared to kiss goodbye to the 9-to-5 grind and welcome a life of financial independence? If so, you've come to the right place. We are dedicated to providing you with passive income ideas and tips to create several online income streams that you can rely on and generate automated revenue even while you sleep. From e-commerce empires to dividend investing and digital content production to real estate businesses, we provide professional insights and concrete strategies to inspire, motivate, and empower you to make your ideas a reality. So buckle up, click or tap that subscribe button, and watch this video until the end as we dive deep into 7 smart passive income ideas. But before we get into the video, check out that link in the description for one of my best recommendations for making passive income online. Make sure to check out that link. And now let's get straight into the video. In today's digital world, the opportunities are limitless. Remote work is becoming increasingly popular, replacing traditional office setups. Whether you work from home, on the road, or in another country altogether, the digital world is your playground. Even if you work full-time or not, you can start earning passive income right away. While there is some setup required, the barriers to entry are minimal if you have the necessary skills. Action and dedication can lead to lucrative, smart passive income ideas without breaking the wallet. It's time to realize the potential and the power of the internet. In today's digital age, earning passive income online is a reality that can be attained in only a few hours. But where do you start? Navigating the digital realm may be difficult given the abundance of available information. That's where we come in. We scoured the internet for you, for the most lucrative passive income ideas and insights from the worldwide digital web. So what's our goal? To provide you with everything you need to make a substantial amount of passive income this year. Whether you need instant cash or long-term financial security, the internet is your key to success. And the best part? It's not as intimidating as it may appear. With dedication and a focused mindset, your smart passive income ideas can become a profitable source of revenue. Let's break it down. There are various established ways to generate passive income online starting today. Some may provide instant returns, covering monthly costs like rent and groceries, while others have the potential to secure your financial destiny, providing you with long-term wealth. But here's the thing. Success in the digital world demands a different kind of mindset. Take charge of your financial future by empowering yourself and overcoming doubts and anxieties. Sure, there are a lot of get-rich-quick schemes and shiny objects out there promising you the world. But to succeed, it is important to filter out distractions and prioritize what is important. So what are the essential concepts that can help you achieve online success? The solution is simple. Prioritize passive income above active income. Passive income enables you to grow and enjoy life on your own terms, while active income provides a means of survival by you literally living paycheck to paycheck. If you're serious about financial independence, your goals should be focusing on generating passive income online. There's a world of passive income ideas that awaits you in the digital landscape, and with dedication and action, you can generate automated income even while you sleep. So how do you start? While many paths can lead to automated income, blogging is a highly successful method for generating passive income. By providing quality content, gaining a dedicated audience, and maintaining a strong email list, you can generate long-term passive income online. Is it easy? Not really. But is it worth it? Absolutely. Now here's the exciting part. Making money online doesn't always mean starting a blog. There are other avenues you can take. However, for long-term success and stability, creating a blog should be one of your main focus. Now, let us clarify the distinction between active and passive income. Understanding this distinction is key for maximizing your online income potential. Passive income is generated automatically and requires minimum maintenance once established. However, establishing these revenue sources requires substantial work up front. On the other hand, Active income is earned through physical labor or your 9-to-5 grind. Think about professionals like doctors and lawyers who charge hefty rates for their services. While they can make significant amounts, their income is restricted by the number of hours they can work. We all have the same 24 hours in a day, but how we spend them makes the difference. If you work, you will earn. You stop working, and the money stops flowing. This cycle perpetuates financial instability for many individuals. However, relying entirely on active income is unlikely to result in large wealth or financial freedom. Sure, some individuals may build wealth through long-term savings and investments over several decades. But who wants to wait 30 or 40 years to see real results? If you're serious about how to make passive income and creating a life of abundance, generating passive income online is the key to achieving financial success and living a fulfilling life. Imagine generating automated online income without any effort on your part. That's the power of passive income. Setting up automated revenue streams allows you to focus on increasing your earnings and other passive income ideas. Smart passive income is the ultimate goal, the holy grail to how you can make money online. While building passive income may take some sacrifice and hard effort, the benefits are unparalleled. Passive income is the most consistent and stable source over time. Now let's jump right into the exciting world of how to make passive income and explore 7 smart passive income ideas. Number 1. Real estate rentals. Step into the world of real estate and discover endless passive income opportunities. Imagine owning homes that create cash flow month after month as you relax on a tropical beach with your favorite beverage. With real estate investing, you can turn that goal into reality. Whether you are flipping houses for fast cash or creating a portfolio of rental properties, real estate is a tried and true way to financial independence. With low interest rates and a booming housing market, now is the perfect time to dive in. Leverage the power of monthly rental revenue and property appreciation to create wealth that could last for generations. And with Airbnb rentals and real estate crowdfunding, you could diversify your portfolio while maximizing your profits with minimal work and effort. So seize this opportunity. Embark on this new journey to generating passive income online. Your future as a real estate mogul awaits. Number 2. Investing in stocks. What if I told you that you could make money online while you sleep, just by owning stocks? Welcome to the world of dividend investing. Unlike the unpredictability of day trading, dividend stocks provide a constant source of passive income that rises. Picture this: you being a stakeholder in corporations such as Coca-Cola, Johnson & Johnson, or Procter & Gamble, earning monthly dividends simply by hanging on to your shares. With a diverse portfolio and a long-term perspective, you can create a consistent stream of passive income that could cushion your financial future. With the power of dividend reinvestment plans, your profits could compound rapidly, transforming small investments into large wealth over time. Number 3. Build an e-commerce empire. Picture this: you relaxing with your favorite drink in hand while your online business works diligently to generate cash around the clock. E-commerce is the ultimate passive income powerhouse. With platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, and Amazon FBA, you can easily create your own digital storefront without having to deal with any overhead cost associated with a brick-and-mortar store. Dropshipping, private labeling, affiliate marketing, the possibilities are endless. Imagine utilizing the power of social media and influencer collaborations to increase traffic and sales, all while you focus on growing your empire. And the best part? Once you have laid out the groundwork, your digital storefront can continue to generate passive income online while you pursue other opportunities, or you can just simply enjoy the fruits of your labor. It's time to transform your passive income ideas into cold, hard cash and join the ranks of successful online entrepreneurs. And now let's get into number 4, affiliate marketing. Imagine earning commissions while recommending products you love and trust. That's the magic of affiliate marketing. By partnering with companies and promoting their products through your website, blog, or social media channels, you can earn a steady stream of income with minimal effort. Picture yourself sharing honest reviews, creating engaging content, and driving traffic through your affiliate links. Platforms like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, and ShareASale makes it easy to connect with top brands and high-converting products. And the best part? As your audience grows, so does your income potential. With the right strategies and a dash of creativity, affiliate marketing can become a lucrative passive income source that works for you 24/7. Dive in, build your influence, and watch your commission soar. Your success story in affiliate marketing awaits. Number 5. Book and audiobook sales. Unlock the hidden potential of your words with the magic of books and audiobooks, your gateway to a world of passive income possibilities. Imagine the joy of seeing your name on the cover of a book while your bank account quickly stacks up. Whether you are a seasoned author or a novice writer, self-publishing has never been easier thanks to platforms like Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing and Audible's ACX. Explore your passions, whether it is self-help, romance, or fantasy fiction, and watch as fans from all over the world consume your stories. And don't forget the power of audiobooks. With the rise of smartphones and streaming platforms, audiobook usage is skyrocketing, providing a profitable chance of converting your literary work into a lucrative passive income stream. So grab your pen, ignite your creativity, and set off on a voyage to literary success. Your future as a best-selling author awaits. Number 6. Create an online course. Do you have expertise in a particular field? Why not monetize your knowledge by creating and selling online courses? Platforms like Udemy, Teachable, and Kajabi makes it easy to design and distribute your courses to a global audience. Imagine earning passive income every time a student enrolls in your course. Whether it's about digital marketing, graphic design, personal development, or any niche you're passionate about, share your wisdom through video lectures, interactive quizzes, and downloadable resources. And watch as your impact and your bank account grows. The beauty of online courses is their scalability. Create them once and they can generate income for years to come. So harness your expertise, inspire learners worldwide, and build a thriving online education business that brings in passive income while making a difference. Your journey to becoming an online education mogul starts now. Number 7. Digital content creation. Are you a wordsmith, a photographer, or a video wizard? Then it's time to turn your passive income ideas into a goldmine. In today's digital world, content reigns supreme, and platforms such as YouTube, Medium, and Patreon provide countless chances to monetize your expertise. Imagine making fascinating films, informative content, or unique artwork that captivates viewers all around the world. With ad revenue, sponsorships, and subscription models, you can generate passive income online while doing what you love. And the best part? Once you have transformed any of your smart, passive income ideas into content, it will continue to attract readers and produce revenue for a long time after you've hit the publish button. So unleash your creativity, share your knowledge, and build an army of dedicated followers to help you achieve financial freedom. The world is waiting for your unique voice, so start creating and start making money online today. With these passive income ideas in mind, it's clear that passive income offers a world of opportunities for those willing to take action and put in the work up front. Generating online income is the ultimate game changer in today's digital world, offering a tantalizing array of advantages that can transform your financial landscape. Millions of individuals across the globe are tapping into the power of passive income, reshaping their bank accounts, and enjoying unparalleled freedom and security. By exploring diverse revenue streams beyond the traditional 9-to-5 grind, they are creating wealth that works for them around the clock. Whether through investing in real estate, earning royalties from books and audiobooks, diving into affiliate marketing, or developing and selling online courses, the opportunities are vast and accessible. Platforms like Amazon, Shopify, and various investment platforms have made it easier than ever to generate passive income, empowering anyone with an internet connection to join the movement. These income sources allow you to earn money while you sleep, travel, or spending quality time with family and friends. Embracing passive income is about more than just boosting your earnings. It's about gaining control over your time, securing your financial future and living life on your own terms. Step into the world of passive income and join the millions who are already on the path to financial independence. Picture this. While enjoying your leisurely stroll in the park, sipping your favorite beverage, or spending quality time with loved ones, your bank account is steadily stacking up. That's the magic of automated online income. It puts money in your pocket automatically, allowing you to break free from the shackles of the traditional 9-to-5 grind and reclaim your time and freedom. Whether it's through rental properties, dividend stocks, online businesses, or digital assets, passive income opens up a world of possibilities, offering a steady stream of cash flow that's not bound by the constraints of your daily grind. Embrace the power of smart passive income ideas. They can pave the way for a prosperous future filled with financial abundance and boundless opportunities. But before we get into the reality of how to make passive income online, check out the link in the description for one of my best recommendations for making passive income. Make sure to check out that link, and now, let's get back to the video. Let's talk about the reality of making automated online income. Despite the potential of seeing some quick cash, true success demands dedication and hard work. But here's the reality. Putting in effort today will provide long-term benefits for years to come. It's vital to recognize that time is our most precious asset. Instead of pursuing active income in this never-ending rat race, focus on building passive income that will work for you 24/7. Picture this: waking up a year from now with your cash flow on autopilot, freeing up your time to pursue your passions and priorities. That's the ultimate goal. So don't get discouraged by the initial 9-to-5 grind. Keep your eyes on the prize and take action today to secure a brighter tomorrow. Having the right mindset and commitment, you can achieve financial independence and live life on your own terms. And trust me, you'll thank yourself for starting now. So, are you ready to seize this moment and embark on this exciting journey towards financial freedom? First, tune out the distractions. Embrace the possibilities and start turning those smart passive income ideas into reality. The time to start taking action is now. Let's make this year the year you break free from the shackles of financial insecurity and step into a future filled with abundance and opportunities. Thanks for watching. And remember, the link mentioned in this video can be found in the description below. If you found this video helpful, subscribe and smash that like button and share it with your friends. For more Make Money online opportunities and tips, click or tap on my next video and I'll see you there.